I have some WordArt that I've added to this slide, and I just went to Insert and chose WordArt. But now I'll show you how to format this. So I'll select this text box and I'll click on the border. Then I'll go to Shape Format, and in the Text Fill, I'll click the drop down. I'll start out by showing you how we can apply texture. So if I want to apply this texture, I'll just click on it, and now the inside of that WordArt has that texture. I'll select this next WordArt text box. I'll click on the border, and I'll go back to Text Fill, and this time I'll go down to Gradient. I'll click More Gradients, and now I'll drag the pane into the document. Makes it a little easier to edit, and we'll focus on the gradient stops. I'll click on this first gradient color, and I'll change this to orange. Then I'll click on the second one, and I'll change that to yellow. And I'll click on the third one, and I'll change that to red. So that's how easy it is to change the text fill of WordArt.